To set up and use a second space in POCO M8 Pro 5G, let's start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to scroll all the way down, and here we want to find additional settings. Inside, let's scroll down until we find second space, click on it, and here you'll be able to turn on your second space. Now I will explain it briefly while it tries to load. So how it works is you have your original system with all your apps, all your adjusted settings like wallpapers and basically everything there. So if you create a second space, it will create a second system which will have its own unique system, and you'll be able to switch between them either by a shortcut or a password. So now when we have that ready, let's continue. Now you can access your second space with password or shortcut. Let's go for a shortcut version and continue. Then we can set the second space password. If you like, you can set it now and then create the password that you're going to enter to open second space. So we're going to go for something like this. If for some reason it doesn't allow me to do so, but I guess it's just a bug. Let me down in the comments if that is the problem. I will try to find a fix for that. So anyway, let's stick with the icon shortcut. So we're gonna skip the password step and just move to the home screen. We need to wait a while since this feature does need to load. So now when you're on your home screen, you can find a switch button right here. If you click on the switch button, it will change to your original system or your second space. So I'm gonna unlock my phone right now. And here's my original system. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.